Well, here we have at Country Classic Cars a 1948 Ford convertible Super Deluxe. Um, Absolute plus thing is an absolute brand new top. It looks like new hoses and whatnot, at least coming from the top pump, going back. I don't know how far they go, but the car is definitely a survivor. I don't think it's been repainted and kind of maybe a long time ago were kind of mediocre. It's got a lot of little flaws in it, but and of course some nips and chips and dings and dangs. A little bit of body work appears to be done to it. No signs of BONDO, but at least anything I checked with a magnet seemed to check out all right. Not real bad by any stretch of imagination. Asking price is $29,995 or $29,950. Oh, excuse me. Better bargain yet. It would be a good project car if somebody wanted to take it a lot further. It's definitely appears to be a nice driver. Unfortunately, we can't get it out of here without the buyer committing something that if it passes inspection, so on and so forth. But regardless, the interior is decent. You know, it's just an old gal. It's looking really not too bad. You know, I wish the steering wheel was better, but hey, that can be refinished. Dashboard looks complete. The dual spotlights. That's all right. Windows go up and down. At least the two front ones. I didn't mess with the back ones. Seems like a solid car. I have taken pictures under the chassis, which I haven't looked at yet, but I'll an infamous blue dots. Backup light. It's got fog lights on the front, and somebody's made a decent car out of it. But the welting is there in the rear fenders, and I don't know if there was ever welting on the front fenders or not. If there was supposed to have been. Well, yeah, there is back here. Yeah, there is back here. It's there. It's there. I don't believe there was ever welting in this joint up here. But again, I'm not positive on that. I don't think so. The more I look at it. That's complete on this side. Passenger side. I pulled the floor mats up a little bit, and it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. But there's no way to tell if the floor pan is totally solid or not. Well, I'm going to cut this short. I'm going to send this to my friend and let him know I've got it on YouTube. Later.